Your Masterpiece 100 includes the antenna, 2 sets of U-bolt mounting hardware, 4 wing nuts, 2 screws, and an instruction manual. You'll need a 13mm wrench. Step 1. On the rear section of the antenna, unfold the long VHF elements until they click into place. Step 2. Rotate the bottom elements until they also click into place. Step 3. On the front section of the antenna, unfold the 2 longer elements. Step 4. Rotate the elements along the reflector arms until they snap into place. Then, extend the reflector arms until they lock into place. Step 5. Connect the front section of the antenna to the rear section using the included pre-attached hardware as shown. Step 6. Connect the phasing rods on the rear section of the antenna to the threaded studs on the front section using the included wing nuts as shown. Step 7. Use the included U-bolt nest assemblies to connect both bracing arms together. Make sure both of the U-bolt assemblies are aligned as shown. Step 8. Slide your antenna mast through the openings of both U-bolts. Then, with a 13mm wrench, securely tighten the nuts. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master Masterpiece 100. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.